The traditional Japanese paper of the region is called Izumo Mingeishi. Eishiro Abe, the creator of this exceptional paper, received the title of Living National Treasure in 1968. In his hometown, a museum recalls his life, and the traditional paper workshop is open to visitors during the week. Shinichiro Abe, the grandson of Eishiro Abe, was kind enough to show us how he makes traditional paper notebooks. A decorated piece of washi paper is covered with glue. It is then stuck to a thicker piece of washi paper. The cover and the back cover are now finished. The white washi papers that will become the notebook are folded by hand using a small metal bar. The paper sheets are cut and some glue is added to the ends so that the sheets won't be out of alignment at the second cut. The sheets of paper are divided in several notebooks before the corners are made. The cover, the back cover, and the paper sheets are now put together. Four holes are made to bind the notebook. It is then binded with thread. Finally, the hyodai is stuck to the cover. The title will be written on this band. The traditional paper notebook is now finished.